So guys, yes, today is 28th of April. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 has opened at 17,045.25, that is 0.51% up. Advanced stocks of 43, declines of 5, unchanged is 2 stocks. So now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section in the pre-open market, that is JSW Steel with 1.55% up and Divis Slab with 1.49% up. And coming to the stock which are opening in the most gap down section, that is Sun Pharma with 0.43% down and Apollo Hospital with 0.21% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trend what I do today. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, right now we are planning to buy Indus India Bank in the market level. So I just bought it now, so let's see how the stock will perform. We just bought it around 965.5. So guys, yes, we are in a buy side now of Indus India Bank. You know, the market is almost 1% up. So the sell side didn't perform. So that's why we are back to the buying side of Indus India Bank. So we just bought it. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now there is a resistance at 966. So once this resistance breaks, it can give a good movement. So planning to book almost like 4 to 5 points target here. So it will be like 0.5% of a stock. So let's see how it will perform. So we have bought Indus India Bank around 965.50 and waiting now to go up. So once it goes above like 970 maybe, so we'll take a exit. So let's see. So yes, it is trying to give a breakout on the resistance side. If you guys can see, yes, we have got a breakout now. So if this bullish movement continues, the stock can go up easily is what I am guessing. So let's see, let's wait for it to go up. So I'll update you guys once I take the exit. So the market is very bullish, so that's why I decided to go buying side on the Indus India Bank. So that's the reason why I have bought this. Okay, so let's wait now. So it will take some time because there's a resistance level nearby, so let's wait. Here the stock made a high of 971. So actually it was a sell side trade, but there was no push for the sell side because the market was almost 1% up in the morning. So that's why I decided to take my exit in sell position and came to the buy position once it gave this breakout near this resistance. And yes, I booked like almost like 4 to 4.5%, 4.5 points target, and I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. Every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.